I'm saying leave to move an urgent motion, my lord, because my lord, the bank has issued the notice. My lord, asking me for taking possession on 28. My lord, I am not a party. I never taken loan from this bank. My lord, in terms of the agreement of 2006, I have got the possession of the flat in 2013.
No, but then section 17 proceeding is always open to you. Why over here?
No, my lord, they will take possession day after, my lord,
Yes.
28.
So what can be done? The writ
I
court will
made
entertain.
representation before them. I made representation before them. They have not, my lord, taken any court, given any opportunity of hearing.
Please go before the DRT. I am not interfering
It
with
is
these
not
matters.
DRT, my lord, DRT. I am not the borrower. I am
You
nobody.
may not be the borrower, yes.
My lord, my lord.
Item number 298
Lordships, with Lordship's permission, may I mention a matter?
and a ferry ghat, ferry,
Ferry ghat, yes.
private. And the state correspondents are trying to take possession and start their ferry.
Yes. But ferry ghat will be under group 5 determination. Why over here?
So filed with you, my lord.
Yes. Who is the authority? The panchayat or the
The
municipal?
panchayat is there, my lord.
Yes. It is usually under the group 5 determination. You won't take and release it. Check up under which provision of law it is.
Madam,
Yes.
kindly to mention item numbers 315 to 317. I'm praying for upgradation. Madam, my bank account is lying frozen. Madam, at the instance of a complainant whose complaint has been dismissed by the NCLT and saying that he has no locus to meddle with the FS. He has written a letter to the bank and the accounts have been frozen, my lord, and so, my lord, we have complained before the ombudsman.
No, but then I am not upgrading matters today.
But there is extreme urgency, my lord. These all the 3 petitions, my lord, the bank account is lying frozen, my lord.
Yes, I understand.
Now it's a year ending, my lord. We are facing severe difficulty, my lord.
But then
Kindly consider, my lord. And it will not take more than, my lord, 10 minutes of your lordship's time, because, my lord,
thing is, after dismissal of the matter before the NCLT, wasn't consequential orders directed to be passed?
no, we had approached the ombudsman. The ombudsman says it's pending. There is no pending. Nothing is pending. And we have assailed the ombudsman's order. We had gone before the ombudsman. The ombudsman says is saying that dispute is pending. Nothing is pending there. Nobody.
Please come next
Kindly, my lord,
Monday.
my lord.
Next Monday, please come.
Next Monday would be a holiday, possibly,
Oh,
my lord.
next Monday is a holiday, right?
But kindly, my lord, consider us, my lord. And by the clock, my lord, we shall not take more than 10 minutes combined for the 3 matters. Because identical matters. Your lordship would hear one, my lord, same thing, my lord.
In that case, next Tuesday, it will appear in the list as urgent motion.
Asking for my lordship, not for a listing of a matter, but for extension of interim order. Your lordship had last extended the interim order, which is expiring on 28. Your lordship takes extension not on Wednesdays, not if it could appear as a not. I filed an application not for extension, but if it could appear on Wednesday. I'm grateful.
So
My lord.
notice, please.
My lord, may I have a kind leave to file this urgent application, my lord? I am under threat of eviction by dint of an order passed by the district magistrate, but I have not been served with a copy of that order, and I approached the Lorry DRT. Lorry DRT, this week I will be evicted, and Lorry DRT has been pleased to fix the matter in the month of 21st April. My lord, I am under threat of eviction. I am not. Lorry DRT is of the opinion that since I am not having the order of the district magistrate, so there is no urgency. But I am under the threat. I have not been served with the copy.
Feel the music when you are in the other side. How does it feel like? Very musical, isn't it? And I am facing it every day. What is to be done?
This week I will be evicted, my lord, with my family, the residential house of mine.
Yes.
And I cannot be remediless, my lord. I approach the Lorry DRT.
What is the DRT doing?
I approach the Lorry DRT. Since you are, the DRT is saying, since you are not having the copy of the district magistrate, order of the district magistrate, so we cannot.
So if you are agreed by the order of the DRT?
No, not. They have not passed any order. They have not passed
there?
any order. They have not passed any order. That is the difficulty, my lord.
Appellate tribunal not passing an order?
My lord, my lord is a remedy.
No.
This is a remedy, my lord. This is the forum. My lord,
This
I
is
can
the
come.
forum.
My lord.
All right, Friday it will appear, urgent motion.
May I have your lordship's kind leave to mention a matter, my lord. This is regarding a tender process for examination beds in hospitals in West Bengal, my lord. I was technically disqualified in 2025, even though the process started in 2023. In identical tenders with identical eligibility conditions, on me submitting identical documents, I was treated as qualified. My lord, any day they will open the financial bid, it will make my writ petition infructuous. It is appearing
When
as...
was the technical bid opened?
Malad, we don't know for sure. On the portal, it reflects I was disqualified on 29th of January 2025.
And now you got to know we are in March.
No, my lords, we filed the writ petition. It's appearing in your lordship's list, item 1536.
So why are you mentioning it today?
My lords, because we've been told from certain persons, my lords, that the normal process is within 2 months they open.
Right.
Therefore, my lords, we are almost approaching the end of that period. My lords, we are trying our best to get this matter heard, my lord, but it's very
Yeah, you should mention it on the day when upgradations are allowed. You come on other days, it becomes difficult.
my lords, I'm sorry, my lords, but kindly considers this aspect, my lords. Any day this week, next week, my lords.
Friday.
Right. Grateful.
I'm praying for your lordship's kind leave, my lord.
1 minute, yes.
Compulsion, my lord. May I mention one tender matter, my lord, wherein, my lord, I have participated in the tender. There is an interim.
Where is the matter?
Matter is appearing as item number 377. What had happened? It has
Daily list or
the-
combined list?
that combined list.
Yes.
My lord, what had happened at the instance of a person who has not participated in the tender, my lord, he had filed a writ petition and an interim order has been passed. And as a result, my lord, the state government is not able to proceed with the tender process. My lord,
Why?
he has participated because there is an interim order of stay. My
Any application for vacating?
lordship, I have filed my opposition. We had filed an addition of party because we have not.
You are not a party in the matter.
Filed, and your lordship had allowed, and
All
your
right.
lordship had fixed it. But since they are not able to proceed with the matter, the state government, because of this stay, my lord, I would beseech your lordship, my lord, to take up this matter any day, my lord. Lordship.
I don't think it will be possible. At
lordship will
least in the
kindly-
next 2 weeks.
Lordship will kindly consider, my lord. I would not have troubled your lordship.
Nothing
with
is,
all this. I did not come, my lord.
the
Only
position of the list is such, I do not think I can accommodate you in 2 weeks.
It will not take more than 10 minutes because they do not have any locus to file the writ petition.
I am not on merits, I am on time.
Somebody who did not participate in the tender process on the basis of that writ petition, my lord, an interim order has been passed, my lord. And I'm suffering, my lord. I have invested a huge amount of money, my lord. Lordship will kindly consider. I would not have troubled your lordship, my lord.
Where to accommodate? Thing is, where to accommodate?
Any day, I'm leaving it to your lordship. I'm leaving
Opposition's file, that means it has to be heard. It's at the hearing stage, right?
lordship any
Now-
day, my lord. It cannot be heard for more than maximum 15 to 20 minutes because they do not have any locus to file the writ petition, my lord.
Please renew your prayer. After 2 weeks, I cannot help.
Lordship,
Yes.
My lord, praying for your lordship's kind leave to mention for inclusion.
Please,
Praying
yes,
for your lordship's kind leave to mention for inclusion, my lord.
not today. Yes,
My lord, extreme urgency, my lord. I've been blacklisted. I'm a weapons manufacturer, my lord. If I am
Yes.
blacklisted, my business entirely depends on my lord participation in government tenders.
yes.
I've been blacklisted on the 9th of December 2024, my lord. My business has
The
come to a
December
grinding halt.
24, you are coming in
Petition is
March.
filed. No, my lord. Petition is filed on the 20th of February, my lord. Do not able to
Yes.
have it heard.
Please wait, you cannot help.
The petitioner ran a stall at
What you
Shelter
want?
station. But I want the matter to be listed. This is item
No,
number.
please don't
But kindly,
mention. No, don't mention. It's
kindly
not
hear me out
possible.
the urgency. But kindly,
It is not possible. Try
kindly,
to
but
understand.
I mentioned it on the last Monday. My lord directed me to come today, my lord, and
Not
mention.
today. First Monday of the month,
My
please
lord,
come.
that's a holiday, my lord.
Yes.
Kindly consider, my lord.
May I have your lordship to mention a matter which came up before lordship?
For what, you tell me first.
First, tell me my beef has lost. Your lordship accorded me the legitimate appear in the monthly list of appeal, but there is no such order to go down the file in the concerned department for obtaining the certified copy of the petition matter. Has the order of the passed by your lordship on 17th of.
See, the state is the other side.
No copy has been served upon the state. State has not been appeared before that month when my beef has lost, my lord.
It cannot be helped now.
Ladies and appear in the to be mentioned manner and you lordship please.
To be mentioned at the other minute.
lordship,
Grant me leave to file this writ petition, my lord, for urgent hearing, because my lord, one section 17 application under SURFACE Act is pending before learned DRT 3. And during pendency of that application, my lord, the bank has issued auction notice. The auction is going to held on this Saturday, my lord.
Why don't you approach the tribunal
My
where
lord,
the
I
matter
have-
is
my lord,
pending?
Because the tribunal, I have already filed a IA, but that is the date is fixed on May. And the section 17 application is fixed on July, my lord. Next date is in July.
My lord, 29th they have fixed
One
for.
is and one is suffering from serious brain ailment, my lord. My dwelling
When
house
is the auction going to be held?
29th.
it is at
29th, my
Date
lord.
of auction?
it is 28,020
29th, my lord.
in coming Saturday, my lord.
It's Friday, 28th is Friday.
28th month.
Thursday it will appear. Serve notice.
May I be permitted to mention a matter for non?
A new motion, your
For
lordship.
inclusion?
Your lordship, for some urgent hearing, there is some urgency, your lordship, minute of your lordship's time. The proceedings against me have been initiated by the collector of excise without jurisdiction for revocation of my license. The next date is on 28th March, and no further adjournment will be given on that day, your lordship.
Yes.
Humbly beseeching any day subject to your
No, why? You go and participate in the hearing process.
Your lordship, the entire proceedings have been initiated without jurisdiction. I have a liquor license since
Take this issue over there, let the authority pass an order, then the validity of that order will be seen.
May I be permitted to mention a matter for non-prosecution?
Give.
My
application. Nothing.
Grateful.
For withdrawal.
Withdrawal on instruction.
Give.
One matter, my lord, without giving any notice, my salary account has been freezed. So, on the ground that I am the grantor.
You are the guarantor.
Yes. On the ground, the borrower has failed to installment. As a result, without any initiating any proceeding against the borrower, all on a sudden, without giving any notice, my salary account will be freezed. So, as a result, I am the group D staff. So, I am not operating my salary. So,
Go before the tribunal.
That day, your lordship asked me to come Monday.
Monday means first Monday of the month, not any Monday. There are so many Mondays in a month.
No.
First Monday of the month.
Last Monday, your
No, it cannot be.
Mention item number 323 of the days list.
Yes.
And the existing distributor under WBXBCL. I have been working there but since 2016. Now, a super notice has been served in the month of February, asking me to provide why I did not provide the PF account of the employee. Ultimately, in the December, I have already paid. But in spite of that, my termination has been given without any notice, further notice, and without hearing.
Termination of contract.
Termination from the distributorship of supply of all these utensils. Now, 75 lakhs have been deposited or invested by my client. Now, 31st is the last date, not any date prior to that.
Thursday.
Lordship.
For what?
application for upgradation.
Sorry, don't mention.
Lordship.
Yes.
My fee has been, my technical fee has been cancelled. On the ground, I don't have the credential. Or uploaded, everything uploaded. I am the only person having credential, and the other folks who have been declared as qualified, they don't even have the credential. I have annexed in the document downloaded from the server. Now, they are going to open the financial bit on this Thursday. Supply of room and accessories. And
Thursday. Thursdays. Upgradations, please don't mention it is not possible. You see the position of the list.
Your lordship directed me to come today because, my lord, this is regarding the payment of the contractor. Your lordship knows, my lord, they are in big trouble. Only, my lord, item number 306 and 304.
306 and 307 next Monday as urgent motion. Serve notice.
Lordship.
If it is Monday is a holiday, then Tuesday. Next working day, whenever it is, a slip is not required. The number has been noted down. 304 and 306 of the monthly list.
Lordship, may I be allowed?
Urgent motion.
Item number 2165 combined is for hearing assignment. In the meantime, this is the notice of preparation that it is already going to but there is no whisper regarding the payment shall be
But then superannuation matter, why will it be here? It will go before the service. It's assigned. What is the item number? Hearing. 2165 is a hearing matter. When to keep it, I do not know. বুধবার দিন দিয়ে দিন তো বুধবার
Lordship, may I be
assigned বলে একটা গ্রুপ করবেন after the urgent notice. Your slip is not required. Your slip is not required.
Lordship, may I be allowed?
The restoration application are not
Sorry,
Lordship,
it cannot be done. On the day when applications or slips are taken for inclusion, please give, it will be taken.
What has happened, my lord? Regarding the loan, I'm no way connected, my lord. Neither I'm the borrower, neither I'm the guarantor, my lord. Loan taken by someone else. My property has been put into auction, my lord.
Sir, the tribunal is functional. Please go there.
Violation of natural justice, my lord.
It cannot be done. The Supreme Court is coming down heavily.
I know, my lord, my lord is immensely, my lord, under pressure, my lord, I cannot.
It's
wait.
not a matter of pressure. The Supreme Court is really standing with a stick over there.
What is the 27th is the date, my lord. In the interregnum period, I cannot take step, my lord, because if I take step, my matter will not be listed, my lord. Clear violation of natural justice. My property, I will deprive from my property, my lord. But my lord, a short period of protection may be given, my lord, so that I can approach that, my lord. But in the interregnum period, it will not be possible for me to approach and get the matter listed, my lord. This is my difficulty, my lord.
Oh, has any sale notice been published? And date of sale? 27th.
27th, my lord. Any day before 27th.
Fine. 27th it will appear.
Lordship, may I be allowed, Lordship,
To mention a matter, my
Please.
lord.
Lordship, may I be allowed to mention, Lord, may I be permitted to mention item number 293?
Please do not mention for inclusions and upgradations.
Lordship, may I be allowed to mention?
Inclusions and upgradations, please do not mention.
Lordship,
Do not mention.
Lordship, mention item number 293
No,
of
no,
your
no.
Lordship's today's
And upgradations.
Please, Lordship, because I have received a demolition notice.
Upgradation or inclusion, what? I am not including.
Lordship to restoration application, but there is sort of urgency, my lord. Petitioner.
Restoration, if it was urgent, the matter would not have been restored. It would not have been dismissed.
Lordship,
Once
accidentally,
it consequences, this cannot be helped.
May I permitted to mention one matter?
Item number 377, my lord.
Releasing will also be difficult. Releasing will also be difficult.
Lordship, next week.
Yes, yes.
My lord, may I permitted to mention one matter?
Item number 606, my lord.
Lordship, my two matters is running on the monthly list, but packaging application is pending. I filed it stays 23rd, 2024, already pending. Kindly, this is proper the daily list. Kindly.
No.
My lord, permitted to mention, my lord, I am mentioning before your lordship upon notice, my lord, for extension of interim order, which will be.
When is it expiring?
28th March.
Give.
Coming Friday.
Serve further notice.
Blood in my case,
May I
it is expiring on
be permitted
31st.
to mention one matter? New motion for inclusion in the list.
Sorry, sir, I am refusing mentioning for inclusion and upgradation.
Monthly
Why
is my
are you
lord.
mentioning?
Monthly is my lord.
No,
Lord,
yes.
my case interim order will expire on 31st. I have given notice.
My lord, may I be permitted to mention
Yes.
item number
My
606?
lord is not taking upgradation, my lord. Only one urgency, my lord. Item number 1407, my lord's monthly list, my lord. Fraud has been declared without show cause notice, without information, my lord, without even hearing me before the identification committee, my lord. I challenge a writ petition, my lord. Now an FIR, my lord, has been lodged in respect of the declaration.
Very well. As and when it will be taken up, it will be necessary orders.
My lord,
will be passed.
My lord, may I be permitted
Make
to
my prayer
mention
for
item number
upgradation of 9
No,
items.
sorry, please, no upgradation.
Only difficulty is that, my lord,
No.
cancelling my tender, a new tender has been called.
Nothing doing,
Continuous,
please.
my lord, any day.
No,
Any
it's
day,
not
my-
possible.
even
Any day, it's not possible.
Any day, even next week, my lord. It is quite.
This matter was taken by your lordship on 17th. This matter, just when the Diga matter, where the NGT order is under challenge. Your lordship was pleased to take up the matter today as an upgraded motion. The matter is happening as an adjourned motion down the list, my lord. 149 it is appearing, my lord. It was supposed to come as an upgraded motion, my lord. The matter was adjourned only for the reason the respondents are all were not appearing before your lordship.
No, but then certain orders must have been passed
madam,
over.
no,
The
sure.
interim order has been passed.
No, madam, no interim order was passed. It's a Diga matter, not the Mondaramani matter, my lord.
Oh, it's a separate matter.
Separate matter, my lord. DLPC, my lord.
It has not been taken up.
It was taken up on 17th. The
Adjourned.
respondents was not appearing.
Yes, it was adjourned.
To serve them again.
Yes.
We have served them.
Right.
It was supposed to appear as an upgraded motion, but
No effective order has
No,
been
no
passed.
effective order.
Which item?
149, my lord.
149 as upgraded motion. Please keep it. Serve notice because
serve-
other
I
side
serve
will
notice.
not. Slip is
may
not
I be
required.
I have received a demolition notice of 15 shops rooms. Demolition is going to take place today at 12 noon.
Yes.
It is under group 9 residuary.
Yes. What is to be done?
SDU has passed the order in our favor.
Yes.
But unfortunately, DM has reversed that order.
Yes.
On the basis of report of BLRO, SDU has passed order in our favor.
No, it's all right. What is to be done?
Reverse the order.
You are occupying government land, let it be demolished.
Government, it is our land.
It is your land.
It is our land.
Who is your other side?
BLRO has passed.
Who is your other side?
Other side is DM. I will serve the notice. The notice has already been served.
Who is appearing for this state? Have you inquired?
I will inquire. Just now I will inquire.
Go and inquire. Come and mention.
My lord, may I be
For
permitted?
rising, come and mention. Go and inquire and bring your other side. Not only mention, bring your other side.
My lord, may I be permitted to mention item number 606, my lord? This is very urgent matter, my lord.
I am not allowing upgradations.
Passed by the learned court, the order has not yet been complied with, and direction was given to vacate the property, my lord.
Yes.
Residential property, my residential property.
Under the surface proceeding?
No.
Under which proceeding?
Direction was given by the project officer, backward classes.
For what?
For
Vacating?
yes.
Under which provision of law?
I don't know, my lord. They have already
Try to inquire and come. No.
My lord, kindly list this matter, my lord.
Already filed. It appears, my lord, but the urgency bank has already taken steps for e-auction sale of my property, my lord, as the matter was dismissed as not paid, it was not served to all, my lord. Matter appeared, my lord, last occasion on 20th, my lord.
Yes.
Some upgradation needed. Please, my lord.
It again into when? Thursday? Thursday. Serve notice.
Here it's our time to file opposition, my lord.
Original side.
That's right, Lord. Lord, otherwise, Lord, they will raise this point.
They will raise. Even the court will raise. When will you file? Time has expired.
Today is the last date.
Today is the last.
Next coming 14.
You serve. First, no, not notice. You prepare the affidavit and serve it, and then come and mention. Now I will not.
My lord, indulgence, my lord. My lord, this matter is relating to tender, my lord, SBSTC, my lord. My lord, their challenge, I have made this, placed the credential certificate, which they are rejecting illegally, my lord. Against that, my lord, the tender has been taken place, tender has been completed. Now, my lord, they are going to pass work order on and from 1st April 2025, my lord. So, my lord, this is extremely urgent. Otherwise, my lord, this writ petition will be frustrating, my lord, infractious.
I am not upgrading.
Madam, may I be permitted to mention item number 128 and 129, this matter relating to the amnesty scheme matter.
Yes.
So the respondent authority has already paid the GST. So
Writ
let the
petition
matter
has
be
become
withdrawn as-
infractious.
Huh?
It has become infractious.
Infractuous.
Writ petition has become infractuous. Item numbers?
128 and 129.
Tomorrow it will appear. 128 and 129 tomorrow as to be mentioned. No, sorry, please.
Well, kindly really heard this matter. My lord, petition deposited in money after superannuation in the post office MIA scheme, but he did not get the any interest of the my lord, petition very poor. My lord, kindly heard this matter, my lord. Thank you.
Which is the item number?
Item number 811 of the monthly list.
Is it appearing under the hearing bundle?
No, my lord, it's a motion stage.
It is still in the motion
Motion
stage.
stage.
Who is your other side?
Other side, my lord, I served the notice, my lord.
Who is the authority?
The Union of India and the authority, my lord.
Union of India.
The post office, my lord.
Post office. Inquire who is appearing. Bring your other side. Find out from the office of the Union of India who has been engaged. Bring your other side. Necessary order will be
May I be
passed.
permitted to mention, my lord, after completion of 60% work,
Oh no, I do not want to know the merits. What do you want?
upgradation. my lord.
Sorry.
But this is urgency.
No, sorry,
My
sorry,
security is already been gone, my lord.
It cannot be done.
My lord, I beg.
Yes.
So far as item number 255 of the lordship's list is concerned, daily list concerned, my lord, I am illegally, my passport is in, my lord, encroached, my lord.
Passport has been encroached.
Encroached, my lord, by the authority, my lord.
Encroached means?
It has been taken by the
Impounded.
Impounded, my lord. Sir.
Ah.
Stand correct, my lord. My lord, I am unable to go to my daughter who is pursuing her exam in a foreign country, my lord.
Yes.
For the money, for financial reason, my lord. Kindly,
I didn't get it. For financial reason, you want to go there?
Yes, my lord.
What do you mean to say?
I have to go there to the money to the university.
Pay it online.
It is not possible, my lord.
It will be possible. Everything will be possible.
My lord.
Pay your daughter online and then
There are
continue.
other
No,
facilities
no,
also, my
no.
lord, my lord.
Nothing doing now.
I beg to mention one urgent matter, my lord.
For what?
The petitioner here
For
is
what? Upgradation,
No, my lord, it is in the least daily list, my lord. It is urgent matter, my lord.
you
Petitioner
want to be, the matter to be heard urgently?
Yes, my lord.
Please come on the first Monday of the month. Call the list.
Petitioner is 65 years old.
My
my
lord,
lord.
may I be permitted?
May I please
My lord,
permitted to mention?
my lord, may I be permitted? My lord, may I be permitted, my lord? Am I
Online
audible?
mentioning? Online mentioning, yes.
My lord, my lord, my lord, my lord, item number 222, my lord, this present petitioner, my lord, he is not being issued the passport repeatedly, my lord. My lord, he wants to visit, my lord, Mecca for performing Hajj, my lord. But his passport is not being issued, my lord, repeatedly, despite the lower court has given the permission that the passport may be issued, but his passport is not being issued by the authority. My lord, kindly take the, otherwise he cannot, my lord, your lordship knows that the month is going on for Ramadan, but he will not be able to, my lord, perform the Hajj. Not there. Not he has been allowed by the
The matter cannot be upgraded now. You have to wait for your turn.
Then kindly permit me only one thing, Milad. Can I come back on the next week? Milad, otherwise, Milad, the entire year will be lost, Milad. We will not be able to, Milad.
Immediately on the day when the mentionings for upgradations are allowed, please come, the court will accommodate. It is the first Monday of the month. Yes.
With my lady's permission, this is a writ petition, my lady, against an order of DRAT where I was made to deposit waiver without deciding on my limitation application. My lady, the urgency is that on the basis of the ex parte decree of the DRT, they are proceeding in the NCLT for insolvency, which is listed on 3rd April. My matter comes at 988 on the monthly cause list. If my lady can accommodate my lady before 3rd April, I'll be highly grateful.
2nd of April, please put it in the list.
Highly
Urgent motion. Which is the item number? Item number?
988 on my on the monthly.
988 of the monthly list, 2nd of April as urgent motion.
Highly obliged.
My lord, may I please
Notice with you,
permitted to
as and
mention
when
one
it is
matter?
taken up, you serve further notice.